So hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Then you can see the right hand side search button. Just click and enter your model number of your motherboard B760M DS3H generation 5. Then hit enter. Click on product. Click off the title of this motherboard name. Then click on support. Select your operating system which is your required Windows 10 and 11. So select any because installation process is almost same. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver and click to download. Then open and double click to exe. Click on yes. Now this is installing, so wait few seconds. And then close it and then close.